Hi, it's Mrs. Parsons. For this read aloud story, I am going to read you a story by Mo Willems, one of my favorite authors. You don't need any other materials for this activity. You just need to be present and listen. All right, let me get adjusted. Okay, this is The Pigeon Needs a Bath. I do not. Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. That means he is the author and he's the illustrator. So our title is the name of our story, just like how we have a name, books have a name too, and that's called the title. The Pigeon Needs a Bath. And then it says Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. So that means he's the author and the illustrator because the author writes the words and the illustrator draws the pictures. The pigeon needs a bath. He looks pretty dirty, doesn't he? Hi, I don't know if you've noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. So I could use your help because the pigeon needs a bath. Do you know what the word filthy means? Filthy means you are extremely dirty. It means you're really, really, really dirty. Filthy, filthy, dirty. And it says the pigeon needs a bath. And the pigeon is over here. He says, that is a matter of your opinion. What a kidder. I don't really need a bath. I took one last month. I think it was last month. Scritch, scritch. So these are called word bubbles. It means that he's saying those things. It's not just the author writing them. The pigeon is saying them. Clean, dirty. They're just words, right? Do you notice that I'm starting at the top of the page when I read? So this page has 4 words. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm starting at the top of the page over here on the left. And I read to the right, and then I go down and I start at the left again and I read to the right. I feel clean. Maybe you need a bath. Yeah. When was the last time you had a bath? When's the last time you had a bath? Oh, that was pretty recently. Do you know what the word recently means? It means it just happened. So like if you took a bath this morning or yesterday, that was pretty recently. You took a bath pretty recently. Life is so short. Why waste it on unimportant things? Like taking a bath. What smell? I don't smell anything. Looks like he's sniffing his armpit. He looks smelly, doesn't he? And if I do, it's a very normal smell for a pigeon. You know, in some places, it is impolite to bathe. All of these flies buzzing around me are purely coincidental. Phew. Yuck. Let's get out of here. Take a bath, dude. He's shocked. Even the flies think that he's smelly. And then he's annoyed. Okay, fine. Do you notice that these words are way bigger than the other ones? And there's an exclamation point. He must really be shouting. When authors make words big like that, they are important and loud. So he's saying, okay, fine. If it means so much to you, I'll take a bath. Whoa. I'm not going to like this one bit. Okay, I'll read it and then I'll show the pictures. I think that'll be easier. Okay, it says, the water is too hot, too cold, too lukewarm, too hot, too wet, too cold, not hot enough, too many toys, too deep, not deep enough, too cold, now it's too hot again, too reflective, that is still too hot. Well, I guess this is okay. So when it says too reflective down here, you can see his reflection like a mirror in the water. Splash! Look, they made this word, they spread out all of the letters. S-P-L-A-S-H. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, and a punctuation, an exclamation point. And they're big again, so it must be loud. And he made them really bright. Looks like they're flashing. Splash! Hey, this is fun. Splash, 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 splashy. La, 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 singing in the tub. This is the life. I love bubbles. Look at my wrinkly toes. Hello? Hello. How are you? I'm just fine. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. "10 hours later." Have you ever taken a 10-hour bath? I don't think I have. Can I stay in the tub forever? The end. Thank you for reading with me.